Yes, guys, welcome. I'm Dr. Eugene, the CEO for Eugene Farm Limited. I'm with here Daktari ametembea Nairobi. Tuko naye daktari, karibu Nairobi.
Asante sana Daktari Eugene.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you are new in our YouTube channel, consider subscribing. Salimia wakulima.
Habari yenu wakulima. Mimi naitwa Dr. Lewis, the Western Region Coordinator, Eugene Poultry Farm Limited. Leo nimepata tunku ya kutembea Nairobi, kutana na CEO wa Eugene Poultry Farm Limited, na nimefurahia sana wakulima wangu. Leo tunazidi kusoma kuku, tukielimishana ili hizi kuku zikaweze kutuletea mali.
So daktari, Western mnasemaje?
Western kuko poa kabisa. Wakulima wanazidi embrace poultry farming. Na vijana kama mimi wanazidi kuachana na mambo ya pursue white collar jobs. Wanazidi embrace agriculture ili waweze kujikimu kimaisha. Yeah.
What are the questions zenye farmers wanakuuliza most of the time?
So the first question is about the return of investment. How profitable is poultry farming? Then
How profitable is poultry farming? Another thing.
The second question is about the organogram of the company in terms of where it's located, who is heading into that organogram of the company. Yeah.
Another question.
Then another question farmers usually raise is about mainly about our deliveries. Our deliveries.
Oh, deliveries.
Yes.
So now let's begin with this question here. Yeah, kwanza umesema ni gani?
Kwanza nilisema about how
profitable is chicken farming. Yeah, by the way, how profitable is chicken farming? It's profitable. Because kama ingekuwa profitable, we couldn't be this level. Yeah, that we are. I'm sure I'm a working testimony because I began with 100 watts, and now you see we are doing a very serious farming. We're going down there with a capacity of around 100,000 watts. But now, and other farms also are there. So now I'm sure developing from 100 watts, and now I'm serving 32 counties. So to me, out of these all 32 counties, they're getting my services through my stand, through supply of chicks. So now, how do you make money from chicken farming? Let's begin with those ones who want to sell for meat. Our broiler bird is a multi-purpose bird, whereby you can decide to sell as meat, or you can decide to sell eggs. At what point do we say that we want to sell eggs? We sell eggs as from 4 months and a half. And then also apart from that one, we sell meat from 3 months and a half up to 4 months. So the broiler breed is maturing very fast. That is to mean within 4 months, you have your return of investment. Then now, how much is this return of investment? Let's begin for the meat producers.
Yeah.
So for the meat production, let's say we can do our mathematics.
Yeah.
For our meat production, we need around 425 Kenya shillings. Kitambo ilikuwa ni 395 shillings. Lakini sasa hivi chakula zilipanda bei juu. So sasa ni 425 Kenya shillings per bird. Producing per bird. So kama unataka kufuga 50, you should do the calculation well. Yeah. So now you take now 425 shillings plus purchase of chicks, which is 110 shillings. That is 535 Kenya shillings. 535 Kenya shillings. That one now it's for one bird. I want you to understand this thing because when you will be meeting those farmers down there, now what is taking place. So now 535 Kenya shillings, that is to me now one bird. So let's say now, for example, this farmer is doing 500 birds multiplied by 500. So a farmer doing 500 birds will require 267,500 to raise them from day old up to 4 months, up to a point of leg. That's 4 months and a half. You get my point? These 267,500, it's inclusive of feeds, inclusive of vaccines, inclusive of purchasing chicks, inclusive also of paying the worker. Do you get my point? Yeah. Because of vaccination, it's 8 shilling per bird from day old up to maturity level. It's 8 shilling per bird. Do you get my point? I get. So now from there now, if it's 8 shilling, then that is to mean from 425. So unaanza labor imeenda nayo, nini imeenda hapo, hiyo kila kitu. Mpaka makaa imekuwa factory 267,500 per month. So now if you're selling meat, how much will you make? If you're selling meat, one bird is going at 900 Kenya shillings.
900, yes.
So 900 Kenya shillings multiplied by 500 birds, that is 450,000. 450,000 minus the pesa ile yenye tumaliza nayo 267,500. So mkulima atabaki na 182,500 after those 4 months. You know, some of farmers fail to reach this money because of so many reasons.
Yeah.
One, they have poor source of chicken,
Yeah.
whereby kuna some chicken are growing by the grace of God. They have undergone a lot of inbreeding. Farmers wako na huku zenye ziko stunted. Unapata zimefika 4 months but ile size yenye tuna target ya 2.0 kgs up to 2.2 kgs bado haijatenda because of one thing. You know, farmers, they do poor sourcing of chicks. When you do poor sourcing of chicks, by the end of the day, you will not get the return of investment.
Yeah.
So now that is to mean that now, if you're doing now sourcing of chicks, source from a reliable source.
Yeah.
Kama ni broiler, you are the specialist in broiler farming. Ama wananunua hata kuku chini. Ama sehemu nyingine. But they should not buy chicks from brokers. Because once they buy chicks from broker, the broker will sell you a chick at 90 shillings.
Yeah.
Or even at 60 shillings. Utapata huku zimeenda pale zimekuwa na high mortalities, zingine ni kubwa, zingine ni kidogo. Zikianza production ya mayai pia unapata pia zingine pia haziproduce mayai venye nafaa. Yeah, so unapata zinataka mayai kwa sababu zimefanyia a lot of inbreeding. So unapata mtu ako na bora kuku. Na wakati anafaa kuwa na kuku bora. So ukiwa na kuku bora utapata hii mahesabu tumesema. Lakini kama ni bora kuku zenye una strain kuzilisha na bado hazikui kubwa, then don't expect returns. Utapata kwanza ziko na high mortalities, so many infections. So now by the end of the day now, you should understand for a profitable business you're farming, you must have a good source of chicken. From a good source of chicken, you'll make this money. How about now eggs producers? We are handling the broiler bird. For the eggs producers, let's say that per bird we use 130 grams. 130 grams to feed one bird per day. So it's 500 by 130 grams. Unajua hapa ndani kuna box, kuna hens. So it's 65,000 grams per day. So in terms of kgs divided by 1,000, you get 65 kgs per day. So for 30 days, how many kgs will you need? Multiply by 30.
You get 1,950.
That's 1,950 kgs. And tunadivide na 50 ili tupate number of bags. Number of bags in 39 bags.
Yeah, 39 bags.
So 39 bags na chakula hapa kwa market 39 bags tunaweka retail price ya chakula ili tujue ni pesa ngapi mtu anafaa kufanya. So ni 39 crates. And 39 bags multiply by 350. Inakuja hapana 350 3,350 multiply by 39 inakuja 130,000. You can see 130,000 650. Yeah, 39,650. Hiyo ndio pesa unahitaji kulisha kuku 500 every day, yani for 1 month. 130 650. Umeshika hiyo ndio 130 650. Then now let's see now the production. Tufanye kuzenye zinataka mayai 450. Kuzenye zinataka so ni 450 eggs per day times 30 days. Tunapata 13,500 eggs divided by 30, you get the number of trays. 450 trays.
Yes.
This is in a month. See there?
Yeah.
In a month,
Yeah, we divided by.
So for 50 eggs per day, times 30 days, you get 13,500 crates. How many got eggs? So to take a number of crates divided by 30. It's only for 50. It's only for 50. It's only for 50 crates. Each crate, it's going at let's say the lowest price that we buy from our farmers. It's 650 shillings. So multiply by 650 shillings. You 292,500. So yule mtu tulikuwa tumespend pesa ngapi? 130, 130, 650. So this money minus 130, 650. 130, unajua simu yangu imezoea mahesabu kubwa. 130, 650. So mkulima umetengeneza 161,850 to minus here labor cost. Tumtolee 10,000. Alafu pia so mkulima sanabaki na 151,850. It's why it's called commercial chicken layering, commercial egg production. So you'll be earning 151,000 every month. Let's say even if you are earning even 100,000 from 500 but still, yeah. So now for eggs, yes, eggs production iko na pesa mingi sana. Egg production iko na pesa mingi compared to the other factors, to the other meat production, because egg production in production in utakula for 1 year and a half, because our broiler chicken, our broiler chicken daktari, I can assure you, zina live for 1 year and a half. Yeah, kama ni roasters zina live over 200 per year. So sasa tufanye hii ukietu imetanga mayai 250 for 1 year. 250 mayai for 1 year, sindio? So multiply by 500. Hiyo ni mayai ngapi? 125,000 eggs, sindio? Divided by 30. So itakupatia 4,166. Correct. Multiply by 650. Inakuja 2,700,000. Yeah. 2.7 million. Alafu tena bado si hizo kuku bado utauza bado na 900 bado. Zikishazeeka bado. Umezionja mayai tena unazikula tena nyama. So you'll make profits. So you'll be a millionaire after the end of the season. So ukifika 500 na ukimaliza kuziuza na una gari, then I'm sure nini. So advantage of chicken farming kama sahi unaona hizi ni sausage, chicken sausages generated from our chicken meat. So now from the chicken you can do chicken sausages, chicken smokies. You can do some value addition towards it, chest drums and everything. Wale wanahitaji nyama, I'm sure I supply a minimum of half a ton. Kama unataka nyama, I can supply you. But what is important, daktari, for profitable poultry management practices, source of birds is very important. Rearing, vaccination and everything. I'm sure these all topics I have managed them.
Yeah. In our books,
in our books and
in our YouTube channel.
And in our YouTube channel.
Are practical and you can learn from them
so guys
to do the right thing.
So guys, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Consider on subscribing. More discussions are coming with Daktari. Yeah, Daktari, it was good having you today. Yeah. Director, we are very happy, sir. We are very happy. Wakulima wale wa Western, unaweza tembelea farm yetu iko pale upande ya Vihiga, unaweza enda upande wa Sangula ama Mbale ama Bukuga. Pia ukiwa pia Kakamega pia unaweza tembea Ikolomani, unaweza enda Luandeti headquarters, ama unaweza enda Rosterman. Ukiwa Bungoma pia unaweza tembea pia kwa farm zetu ziko pale Banda Mabanga na sehemu zingine. Alafu pia each county iko na its own demonstration farm. If you need a place to visit, comment there guys. Thank you for the great support. But for profitable poultry management practices, you must have a serious supplier, you must have proper feeding, you must have proper housing, you must have proper vaccination. I'm sure guys mnaweza ifuatilia pale. Kuku ni mali guys. Thank you so much for the great support. Asante kwa chai.